In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. If you find Copilot a bit too intrusive or just not useful for your browsing experience, adjusting these settings can help streamline your interface and minimize distractions. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge on your computer. To do this, locate the Edge icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and give it a click. Once Edge is up and running, glance over to the top right corner of the window. There you'll find three dots aligned vertically. This is your gateway to more features and settings. Click on this three-dot menu, which will present you with a drop-down containing several options. Among these, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now you should find yourself in the Settings menu. On the left side, you'll notice a panel with various categories. Here, you need to look for Appearance. Selecting this will take you to a series of customization options related to how your Edge browser looks and feels. Scroll down until you come across a section called Other Appearance Settings. Within this section, there's an option labeled Copilot and Sidebar. To proceed, give this option a click. After selecting Copilot and Sidebar, you'll discover yet another layer of options, specifically under App-specific settings. This is where key functionalities of the Copilot feature can be controlled. You should now see an option directly labeled Copilot. Click on it to access the specific settings for the Copilot feature. At this point, you'll see a toggle switch next to Show Copilot button on the toolbar. All you need to do is click the toggle to turn it off. This simple action will remove the Copilot button from your Edge toolbar, effectively decluttering your browsing experience. This means no more accidental clicks on the Copilot and a cleaner interface to work with as you browse the web. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the Copilot AI feature, making your browsing experience more tailored to your preferences. If you ever decide you'd like to re-enable it, simply retrace these steps and toggle the setting back on. With technology evolving rapidly, it's always useful to know how to customize these tools to best fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay updated with our latest content. Have a great day and happy browsing.